ganon? Bakit huli pa rin ako?
Alright, let's start with you telling us about yourself.
Growing up within a privileged background, I've learned how to juggle both work and studies from a very young age. During high school, I was able to graduate with honors while working as a side hustle as an English tutor for elementary students. It was definitely hard, but that experience really taught me how to manage my time appropriately.
I see. That's great. There is no doubt that you have an excellent set of experiences here, Mark. In fact, I want to let you know that this meeting is only a formality. And now that we just have to touch for something important here. It is about your immigration. You are aware that this position would require you to leave your home country, right? To live
Yes, ma'am.
here in the States. Yes. For a considerable amount of time, as the contract dictates, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. And you are also aware that while you are living here in the States, we are allowing you a flexible working schedule for your online schooling, given that you compromise the availability of the leave incentives benefits per year.
Yes, ma'am. I am aware.
Okay, great. Well then,
Sigurado ka ba dyan?
Mark,
Di biro ang buhay sa Amerika. Lagi kang nagtatrabaho, nag-aaral.
here.
Lagi may
Congrats sa atin! Makakapagsuot na rin tayo ng sublay. Mark, nakauwi ka na ba?
Picture tayo ah. Kasama ba kuya mo, Amar? Di ba nag-master siya? Teka, nandito pa pala si Mark? Hindi ko siya feel.
Oo, kaya nga iti-treat ko rin kayo after grad kasi dalawa yung isa-celebrate namin. Mark, sino atin sa grad mo?
Wow! Congrats! Nasa layo na talaga eh. Kami na bahala pumili ni Angel ng restaurant ha. Total, lagi mo naman kaming ginagambala sa dorm.
Sige ba, sama nyo rin parents ninyo. Mark, see you sa grad.
Joke ba to? Ako lang ba nadalay sa aming lahat?
Teka lang, hindi mo sinabing suma ka, Amar?
Hala! Congrats! Grabe!
May pa-suspense ka pa ah. Congrats.
Hehe, thank you guys. Tiyaga lang.
Bakit? Nagtiyaga rin naman ako ah.
Humble yun siya.
Sa true. Nako, at dahil dyan, sa buffet tayo kakain.
Tama! Agree ako dyan.
Sus, tayo talaga.
Buffet? Di na ako makakain ng maayos eh. Bakit sila? Bakit ako?
Mark,
Yes, ma'am?
can we schedule a meeting? I noticed that the quality of your articles declined this month. We can talk about this in detail.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. I'll call you back. Bakit huli pa rin ako? Ano ba hinahabol ko?
Mark,
di biro ang buhay sa Amerika, anak. Sigurado ka ba dyan? Lagi kang nagtatrabaho, nag-aaral. Lagi may gustong patunayan. Lagi may hinahabol.
Maano ka ba? Alam mo naman na wala akong mararating dito sa Pinas, di ba? Ma, ba't nandito ang kwintas nyo?
Suotin mo yan pagpunta mo doon, anak. Huwag mong tatanggalin para kahit na magkalayo man tayo, kasama mo ako. Alam mo, Mark, ako ay proud na anak kita. Kahit saan ka man mapunta, hindi magbabago yun, ha? Wala kang kailangan patunayan sa akin, anak. Matagal ko nang alam na kakaiba ka.
Hindi naman siguro ako nahuhuli. Masyado ko lang minamadali yung sarili ko.